So it's time again for another exercise. So this project here is going to cover everything that we've talked about in the last few videos. So that includes things like the form tag, different types of inputs, including drop-down menus, radio buttons. It also includes validations and labels. So pretty much everything we've talked about. And what you're going to do is combine them to make a registration form for some fake website. So it's going to look like this, a form you can go and sign up with first name and last name, gender, email, password, a birthday with 3 drop-down menus, and a checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. So a few hints here. These should be text inputs. This should be a password input. That should be an email input. These are radio buttons. And these are 3 select tags. This is a checkbox input. And this is a submit input. So there are validations that are required. So first name, last name, and email cannot be blank. They are required. An email must follow a valid email address format. And there is a bonus here. And this is one that I encourage everyone to try and find. This is one of our first instances of me asking you to do something that I haven't directly shown you how to do. And this is really what it's like to be a developer. You're tasked with something, you have some idea, you want to try something, but you have no idea how to do it. So you go online and you do some researching. So the exercise here is to add another validation, a new type that we haven't talked about yet, which is to validate the length of something. And the way it should work, the password that the user must type in must be between 5 and 10 characters. Otherwise, we get this error here. So it's another one of these validations. It's one thing that we haven't seen yet. So I recommend that you just pull up Google and search away. One quick note though, this needs to be done in only HTML. So if you know JavaScript, no JavaScript is allowed. That is considered cheating in this exercise. And then one last thing, the 3 drop-down menus, those must be select tags. One note though, you don't need to have all the years, the months, and all the days in a month. That's just busy work. I would just get 2 or 3 items in there just so you can see the drop-down menu. Okay, so go ahead and get started. If you want to stick around for a moment, I'm just gonna give you an actual demo of the site now. So again, if I leave everything blank, I need to fill this out. I need to fill out first name and last name. Radio buttons here. Email, if I leave blank, tells me to fill it in. If I don't put in a proper email, it gets mad at me. And then password is to be filled out. 1 character is not enough. 4 characters is not enough. If I go and put 5 or 6 or whatever this is, I now have enough characters. I have my drop-down menu. I can agree or not agree. And now the form will be submitted. So that's it. Go ahead and attempt this on your own.